Everybody gets sick from time to time, but fortunately, there are some ways we can help our friends and family get through it, like making them a meal basket. In this video, we're going to share some practical tips on how to make just that. Now, one of the first things you want to think about is what constitutes a good meal. We're thinking that would include a main dish, a side, and maybe even a treat. Now, you want to keep in mind that because they're sick, you don't want to add to the problem by just giving them a basket full of chips and candy. So in our case, we're going to be making our favorite soup recipe, chicken and rice soup. We'll link the recipe to that in the description. We're going to be making a loaf of homemade bread and a few chocolate chip cookies. Next, consider what you're going to put the meal in. Probably don't want to give them something that you will need back, at least not right away, because that's not their top priority, is returning all of your things back to you. So we like to use disposable baskets. We just pick these up at Dollar Tree, or they also have these, which are a lot cuter. They're just $5. Yeah, these were just over $1. Or you could go to a thrift store and just pick up something cheap but cute to put all of your food and goods in for them to take, so they don't have to worry about giving it back to you. And the same goes for the food containers. Absolutely. So we just picked these up at Walmart. These are disposable dishes that came with lids, and so you can put all kinds of food in these. And this is what we're going to be using today, and they were fairly cheap. Next tip, are they expecting you? You want to send at least a warning text that you're on your way, that you're coming with a meal. Do they want you to bring it inside, or do they want you to leave it on their doorstep? These are things you should figure out beforehand. And our last tip is to consider what extra things you could put in the basket, like maybe a get well note, or maybe even some flowers to brighten up their day. So to recap, in the basket, you'll want a main dish, a side, and then maybe some extras like a treat, a get well note, or some flowers. Hope this helped.